Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this CPU water cooling from Be Quiet, light loop 360mm, white as snow. Available and in black color and 240mm radiator, white and black. This is a new product just released, designed for intense gaming sessions and the most demanding applications. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course I'll run some tests to see the cooling performance on the Intel Core i9 CPU. Included we have some manuals. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product and how you can install it at your PC. Wow, that is an amazing design! Now included we have the thermal paste, the kit for AMD CPUs and for Intel. I will use for the Intel because I have the Intel Core i9. If you have an AMD, you can use the AMD kit. Included we have these screws to install the fans at the radiator, 2 3M tape, Be Quiet, I like that, zip ties and another 2 stickers. Included we have 120mm Light Wings LX fans with ARGB lighting, available in 120mm and 140mm. Feature a total of 64 LEDs for stunning visuals in a variety of colors and lighting options. At 2100 RPM for each fan, it is the maximum speed. Of course adjustable from the motherboard or from the Be Quiet case. With 4-pin PWM connector. There it is. And this one, it is for the LEDs. White color, I just love it. And the same we have another 2. Included we have the ARGB PWM hub, allows you to synchronize up to 6 PWM fans and 6 ARGB components. The SATA connection for the power, the connection for the fan, connect that at your motherboard, and for the ARGB connection to the motherboard. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 connection for the PWM cable for each fan. It goes here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 connection for the ARGB. Perfect. This allows you to control all your cooling and lighting gear with just one PWM and one ARGB header on your motherboard. So convenient. Let's moving on at the radiator with the pump. There's the screw holes. As I mentioned, use the screws to install the fans here. And there's the pump. We have the connection for the motherboard, PWM connection, this is for the pump, and the ARGB cable, connect and that at your motherboard. The pump has an adjustable speed from 1500 to 2900 RPM. You can control that from your motherboard. Flexible tubes Very premium, definitely. The jet plate, pump and cold plate are designed to provide extremely high cooling performance for all consumer CPUs, while a progressive IC in the motor reduces switching noise and ensures the pump noise is kept at a low level. Of course, I will test that. Definitely it has an amazing design. I can't wait to install that at my motherboard. I have the light base 900FX, the newest PC case from Be Quiet, so don't miss that video. Everything down below in the description. Be Quiet playlist. The screws for mounting, just amazing. And of course, don't forget we have the radiator. I like that design here. The texture. And here we have the refill opening. Is easy accessible, making refill safe and convenient. And with the included coolant bottle, 100 ml. It will take a long time to refill this radiator. It depends how much you're using your PC. And the fans are manufactured with high quality materials to ensure a longer lifespan and stable performance under continuous operation. The fan's ARGB lighting system provides customizable and synchronized lighting options to enhance the aesthetic appeal of any PC case. The 360mm radiator offers a large surface area for efficient heat dissipation, helping keeping even the most powerful CPUs cooling during heavy usage. Three 120mm Light Wings LX high-speed fans with 9 optimized fan blades provide high airflow for effective cooling in high-performance setups. The pump is vibration-free and noiseless, while the flexible tubing offers durability and ease of installation without compromising aesthetics. Ideal for users who overclock their CPU or run demanding applications. The 360mm radiator provides plenty of cooling power. The Be Quiet Light Loop is a high-performance liquid cooling solution, perfect for users seeking both powerful cooling and customizable ARGB lighting in their PC builds. With its 360mm radiator, it is especially well suited for high-end CPUs requiring substantial cooling to handle demanding applications, like gaming or content creation like me. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more PC hardware reviews, build guides and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay cool, stay quiet, and I'll see you in the next video.